Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Libreoffice Writer and loading the file you want to edit. You should select the text you plan to change, click and drag, or press Ctrl plus it to affect the whole document. Once done, glance at the status bar at the bottom to confirm the current font family and point size. This helps you decide the target size. You're preparing the selection, so the next controls apply precisely to the content you intend to modify. Next, adjust the font size using the tools that match your workflow. You can pick a value from the font size box on the standard toolbar for fast changes, or click the sidebar, choose Properties then Character to type an exact point size if you need precision. Make sure to press Enter after typing. If you want consistent results across the document, update the paragraph or character style instead. That changes every instance using the style at once, saving time and avoiding manual fixes later. Finish by saving and previewing your document to confirm the layout and readability. If text still looks off, check whether direct formatting is overriding a style. Open Format Styles and Formatting and inspect the applied paragraph or character style. To revert, edit the style or remove direct formatting with Ctrl plus M. Finally, when exporting to PDF or printing, recheck font embedding and scaling options to ensure sizes remain consistent. This avoids surprises when the file is viewed on another system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.